First impressions are so powerful, and these days people meet you first online. Before they ever meet you in person, they check out your LinkedIn profile. They form opinions about you, they make assumptions about you in seconds, and once they do, they are so hard to change. I have 3 questions for you about your LinkedIn profile. Number 1, is it complete? Number 2, does it make you appear credible? In other words, does it communicate your expertise and the value you bring? And number 3, does it make you likable? In other words, does it reveal the real you? Does it make people want to get to know you more? If you're hesitating on any of these 3 questions, don't go anywhere. I have 3 ways for you to spice up your LinkedIn profile. I also have a heads up about a new LinkedIn feature that's coming that will help you make a great first digital impression. First is complete the basics. The basics are your headshot and your headline. Not having a headshot, it is said, is like going to a party with a paper bag over your head. So make sure you have a headshot. It should be a picture of yourself smiling, filling up that little circle, and looking right into your audience's eyes. Now, in terms of your headline, flesh it out. It used to be that you were limited to only 120 characters, but now you have 220 characters. You can fill it with highly searchable words that relate to your industry, your market, and your function. And that way, the people who you want to find you will find you more easily. Next is enhance your about section. That's your summary section. Use first person, use the I word. You're talking about yourself, not someone else, so make it personal. Catch your audience's attention with the first couple lines, the first 3 lines actually, of your summary. Why? Because that's all your audience can see unless they click on more. You can simply state your purpose, but you can also be a little bit provocative in those first lines or share your passions. Whatever you choose, help your audience get to know you fast and want to get to know you more. And finally, add spice. Once you have the basics filled in, then you can spice up your profile with your personal brand. You can add media, pictures, video. You can also use that free real estate at the top, that banner, to add an image that reflects the real you. Spend a couple minutes every day on some kind of activity. You can share something that's exciting to you, congratulate peers on their promotion, or just add something that you think other people will find valuable. It really only takes a couple minutes every day to add spice. And as for that new LinkedIn feature that's coming soon, it's a video introduction. Visitors to your profile will be able to click on your headshot and they will see a video of you introducing yourself. What better way for you to make a fabulous, real, credible, and likable first impression? Thank you. I'm Ora, Executive Coach. Please take a moment to subscribe, and I'd love a thumbs up. For now, have a blast.